I'm gonna make a quick video for booking appointments online with Sandman's Auto Detailing. So we start out here on our site, sandmansdetailing.com. Click on the appointments button. All right, you'll have three options here: Sandman's packages, a la carte, and ceramic and graphene coatings. Our packages are for more elaborate, in-depth services. Our a la carte services are for a lot of our basic services and such, and our ceramic and graphene coatings, self-explanatory there. So today I'm going to demonstrate Sandman's packages here. So we're going to do a sell your car package, a sedan, and come here. We're going to do the sell your car package, select sedan. We're going to do quantity of 1, and it shows the estimated duration to complete this detail. Also, it gives you a description of the services that are provided with this particular package, should you have any questions or concerns. All right, go ahead and add it to the cart by clicking on select. Now you'll get add-on menu here. So if your headlights are a little foggy, yellow, oxidized, need to be cleaned up, you can add that just by clicking here. All right, if you want your engine compartment clean, same deal. Trim restoration, pet hair removal, and so on. All right, so we don't need any of that today, so we're going to go ahead and click continue. All right, the product has been added to our cart. Now we go to our cart, and here we're going to fill in some specific information. All right, first and foremost, if you've been provided with a coupon code, or we published a coupon code on Google, our Facebook or Instagram pages, enter that coupon code here. Just click it, select coupon, and enter the code. All right, this one has been inactivated, so this is just for demonstration purposes only. Activate, okay, all right, so we got that. Anyway, what's gonna happen is once you enter the code, click the check button. The discount will automatically be applied to the subtotal, and it'll give you a more accurate total there. Then we're gonna enter our information. All right, enter our address. Mobile phone number. All right, and our email. Okay, type of vehicle. All right, and then here at the date and time section, this is where we're requesting our desired appointment. So in this particular instance, I want to have my car detailed on Saturday at 9 a.m., which is available. The time slots you see here are the time slots that are available to book your appointment for drop off. Okay. All right. So we got that. Here I can add a note. There is soiling on the front floor from soup spill. All right, and then there's a note here just saying that we require a deposit to lock in your appointment. The deposit, minimum deposit amount, and then your form of payment. And once you enter your card information and all that good stuff, go ahead and click pay now. Which once you click pay now, it's going to go ahead, check you out, process everything, and on my end, I'll receive a quote, review the booking, make sure it's good to go. Follow up with a phone call or text to ensure all questions are answered prior to scheduling the appointment. And that's pretty much it in a nutshell.